Good morning, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you all had a wonderful day. We did yesterday. It was blue skies, a little cold, but I got out to my extended family's house. They were really happy to see me. Glad that I had, the recovery is going well. Mia and I had cooked at home. Well, actually, Mia did, and it was delicious. We had Cornish hens, we had candied yams, we had macaroni and cheese. We had not baked potatoes, I'm sorry, mashed potatoes and roasted green beans. And she even made a cake that we took over to our family's house. And then when we got there, same thing. They had turkey and green bean casserole and mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts and corn. And yeah, so we ate very well. And then we played charades. So it was a beautiful day. So this week I have been like purging. Yeah. So I have too many beads, you guys. So I want to kind of thin my bead pile out. And I thought I would offer some up to you. So this is a bead pokey tool making kit Destash. All the kits are going to be $10. So what you're going to see today, everything is $10. It's US only, PayPal only, friends and family preferred. So first I have 3 of these kits, and this is what is inside these kits. You'll be able to see these beads. So there are 5 of these red and white ones and 4 of the pink and white ones. There are 3 of these red hot ones, 2 matted, 1 shiny. There are some, I can't think of the name of those, rondelles, 2 red and 1 kind of like a silver. And then I just have the pokey tool. I have some charms. This is strawberry and 2 strawberries. One kind of a clay, and the other one is a like acrylic. 3 strawberries, excuse me. And then there's one that's red. And then you'll see there's a love charm to hang over the tool. And then I have some of these beads. 5 of these pink ones, 3 of these pink ones, and then just a host of these, they look like candies, just a multi-colors, 2 red, 2 purple, 2 lilac, 2 light blue, 2 yellow, okay, with the pokey tool. So that's everything that's in them. They're right here, okay. I just need to add the pokey tool to this one. And I wanted to make sure that the stopper is on them. So these pokey tool kits, excuse me, are $10. And this is all that I have. Everything I have left is just a handful just for myself. So I do have 3 of the, let's call them Valentine pokey tool kits. So if you're interested, leave me a comment down below. Please make sure that your address is included in your PayPal. And I will respond back to you because my PayPal has changed. So let me make sure I give you my PayPal before you send it to me if you knew it once before. Okay, so 3 of the Valentine pokey tools kits. And then the other thing I have, actually, let me put this in here because I do have some charm kits. This is, I went to a crop several years ago, and then the host shared with me that there was a gentleman whose spouse had passed away. She was a paper crafter, and she had lots of stuff, and she did. And I went and bought, made a donation. That's what I did because he didn't know how to price it. So I just got what I liked and made him an offer. And then this is what I have, and I just can't, you know how we do. We just can't use it all. Okay, so 3 of these Valentine pokey kits, $10 each. What I also have for $10 are these charms, and I'm just going to call them charms. So let me show you what's in here. You have this exploded popcorn. This is a box of popcorn, and they all have the hook on them to chomp for hanging on charms, on things. This is like a starfish with pink things inside. There are 2 of these adorable ice creams. There is this heart. Now, this one would need the shank on the back because it's just solid. I have these glasses that say "Don't Care," and I think it, and they have the opening for charms. I think it's "Bed Hair, Don't Care," something like that. Very cute. And then here's this adorable mushroom. I have this book that says "Once Upon a Time," open book. This cute little flower. This is I don't even know, it's like a bottle, maybe lotion of something. Again, it has the charm on it. Here is a slice of cake. Here is a dove that, again, would need that shank in the back to make it into a charm. Here is a high heel blue shoe. Excuse me. Here is a bunny rabbit. Very cute hole right there in the middle. Here is a black fuzzy ball with the charm on it. And here is another dove. Okay, so that is the charms kits. And I have 3 of those. And they will be sent in this type of packaging. I just didn't pull them all out. So, if you're interested, again, $10, $10, $10. If you want to, just say, I want to. So this is the charm kits and the pokey tool kit. So if you're interested, please leave a comment down below. I also have lots of beads that I'm going through. And I will get those out in the next video. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great Black Friday. Get out and get some shopping done. Okay, bye now.